So let's look at slide 3, even if you're not done with slide 2, because I want to talk about how we do this slide, because some of you guys are finishing up slide 2. And unlike slide 1, I'm not going to give you the answer for slide 2. That's the one you got to figure out on your own. So slide 6 technically, but clue 3 says, crack the code by reducing each ratio to its lowest form. So what I'm going to do is very similar to what I would do if I was reducing fractions, okay? So I'm going to take, for example, 60 to 10, and I'm going to write that as a fraction. I'm going to write it 60 over 10. And then, yep, so I'm finding the simplest form, just like I would if it was a fraction. So in this case, I'm going to say, okay, what divides into 60 that also divides into 10? And the biggest number that works is 10. And I would get 6 over 1, which is what they got here, that 6 to 1 ratio. Okay, so let's look at our next one, which is 40 to 20. It's not the same because it doesn't necessarily mean I'm dividing by the denominator. Okay, instead, I'm trying to find the greatest factor that divides into both of them. So it's just like simplifying fractions to simplest form. And that's what I'm going to do for all of these, and then plug in my number.